Hi, today I want to talk about the beauty standard, about the equal beauty in Israel. When people think about the beauty in Israel, it's just not the physical appearance. Of course, the health, the fitness, and the national look are the very value. But the beauty is also personal confidence and talents. The Israel are known for the creative skill assemble and the equal are considered very active. The Israel is for most of the stunned landscape. You can visit the Dead Sea and the lowest point of the world when it's in create salty water are exposed west Negev deserts. When the breathtaking views, Jerusalem is a full historical city. Look like the old country wall and beautiful church and show the country rich history and culture. Tel Aviv is the modern country full energy, colorful street and cafe, amazing food and beautiful beach, perfect, relax and taking photo. So the beautiful in Israel, comprised of the confidence, talent, people, creature rich, and special historical landscape for the deserts of the sea, historical city, and model urban life, and mixed natural creature and personal beauty, making the Israel truly special. Thank you.